Before you begin, consult both the vehicle manual and the car seat manual for instructions. In this video, you will learn general steps to install a forward-facing car seat with UAS. Find the UAS connectors stored on the seat. Route the UAS strap through the forward-facing belt path. Make sure the belt is flat and not twisted. You will need to set up your seat to use forward-facing with a harness. Check the manual to find out what needs to be changed. Position the car seat on a vehicle seat that has a tether anchor for that position. Check your vehicle manual to see how to route the tether strap under, around, or over the vehicle's head restraint. Loosely route the tether strap as instructed. If the vehicle head restraint interferes with the car seat, check the vehicle manual to see if the head restraint is adjustable or is allowed to be removed. Attach both UAS connectors to the lower anchors in the seat bight or crease of the vehicle seat. Listen for a click. Tug gently on the connectors to make sure they are firmly attached to the lower anchors. Most car seats have a way to access the inside of the belt path, making it easier to tighten the UAS strap. Do not climb into the car seat. Try standing in the vehicle and pushing down into the car seat with your hand or carefully with one knee. Or try standing outside the vehicle and leaning over the car seat while pushing down with your hand. Test for tightness at the belt path. The car seat should move less than 1 inch in any direction, side to side and front to back. It is common to have a gap behind the lower back area of a forward-facing car seat. Check the manual to know what is allowed. Check the manual to know how much of the car seat must be on the vehicle seat. Not all car seats allow overhang. Connect the tether hook to the tether anchor. Pull to tighten the strap. If you are having difficulty, try installing with the seat belt. Try a different seating position in the vehicle or try a different car seat.